Today is day 16 for my Bonne Maman Advent calendar. Let's see what's behind door number 16. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. Here's door number 16. It is the bottom left-hand corner of the calendar. And we have orange guava lime spread. Sounds very tropical. I've never had this one before. This is what it looks like. It's very thick. It's very tropical. To me, it kind of tastes like a fruit punch, like a tropical fruit punch. Like if you've ever had a juice blend that's like an orange or a yellow fruit punch. That's what it reminds me of. Not like the typical red fruit punch, but more like the tropical fruit punches that you could buy. It's really good. Today I am going to make some guava glazed shrimp in my Itaki Pro electric lunchbox. And I was going to originally make them with rice, but I don't have any rice in my house right now. So I am using these petite black lentils. I don't know if you can see them, but they are extremely small black lentils. I've already rinsed them off several times, so there is a little bit of water in there with them. I'm going to add some more water. So there are the lentils, and in the bottom of this Itaki pot, I do already have some water. And the way that this appliance works is it cooks by steaming. So all the water in the bottom will heat up and it will start boiling, and then the steam will cook what's in this pot, and it will also cook what's in the pot that we're putting on top of this pot. So here's our little steaming basket. And I have some frozen raw shrimp. These are easy peel shrimp. I'm using them because that's what I have in my freezer. So that's a good amount of shrimp. With these easy peel shrimp, we have to remember that after these cook, we have to pull the shells off of them and like the little legs and everything. So I want to make sure that there's plenty in there. And these are going to cook from frozen, so they will take a while. So now all we have to do is put the cover on and just let this cook. I'm going to set a timer for about 30 minutes, and then I'll check these after 30 minutes. It's 30 minutes later. Let's open this up and see what's going on. It smells like the shrimp are cooked, but I could be wrong. Yeah, those shrimp look good. They might need to cook just a little bit more. I'd rather be on the safe side than have undercooked shrimp. Let's lift it out. And let's check on the lentils. To me, they feel like they still need to cook more. I mean, there's a good bit of liquid in here. I like my lentils super soft. Yeah, they still need to cook more. I think I'm going to add some more liquid though. Just a little bit so more of them are submerged. I'm putting the shrimp back on. I put the lid on, and let's cook this for another 15 minutes. It's been another 15 minutes. Let's open this up and see what's going on again. This time I would say that the shrimp are definitely done. They look more pink than they did before. And now let's check out the lentils. The lentils feel much softer. And I'm going to taste some of them. Yeah, the lentils are done. 45 minutes is a good amount of time. I'm pressing the button on the bottom of the Itaki pot to shut it off. I'm unplugging it. And I'm going to add two things to these lentils to give them some flavor. The first thing is some coconut oil. And that'll melt in nicely. I probably should not have added the extra water to the lentils, but that's okay. It's fine. And then I have this Louisa organic adobo seasoning, and I'll be using this. pouring some of that in there. I'm gonna mix it in. Let's taste it. Very good, but I want some more adobo. The ingredients in this adobo are sea salt, garlic, turmeric, black pepper, and oregano. Now let's taste it again. Perfect, really good. Here's my shrimp. I just peeled them. Now I am going to take my orange guava lime spread. The shrimp are still quite warm, so I just want to put the fruit spread on them. That'll give them some really nice flavor. Probably using like half of that fruit spread. I want it to be all kind of like melted like a sauce. So here are my orange guava lime glazed shrimp over black adobo lentils. I think it looks really good. First I'm going to taste a piece of the shrimp with a little bit of the lentils, mostly shrimp. Really good. That is an incredible combination. The lentils with the shrimp. Can I grab a shrimp that doesn't really have lentils? Okay, here's just a shrimp on its own. That works so nice together. The flavors of the shrimp with the sweetness and the tanginess of that fruit spread. Such a nice combination. And then with the savoriness of these adobo lentils, so good together. I love that combination of the sweet and the savory. And so that is what I did with the fruit spread in my Bonne Maman advent calendar today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make with the fruit spreads in this Bonne Maman advent calendar. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.